Today I'm looking at the H-frame Arbor 2x2x14 set and walking through what you actually get and how it works in a real shop setup. You will find a link to purchase this and other models at a discount in the description below the video. You can place your order right now. I'm using a screen recording here because I can't show the hardware on camera, but the goal is to keep things clear so you can judge if this set fits your needs. The first thing that stands out with this kit is the simple layout. Did you know that the best discounts on Amazon last only a few hours? That's why I launched 2 channels where I publish the highest discounts on Amazon products in real time every day. Follow the link in the description and subscribe to our Threads and Telegram channels right now to consistently save money on your everyday purchases. Get steel plates sized for typical small and mid-range shop presses. The 2x2x14 format keeps things compact, and the thickness is enough for light and medium press jobs. These plates don't try to look fancy. They're just straight steel blocks meant to take load and stay square. That's usually what people want from Arbor plates anyway. No coatings, no extras, just flat surfaces that should line up well if the press itself is aligned. As I move through the product details, the biggest point is the steel quality. It's decent for its price, though not on the level of precision ground tooling. The edges can be a bit sharp out of the box, so some users end up smoothing them with a quick pass on a file or sander. The surfaces are flat enough for everyday press duties like bearing installs, bushing removal, or general setup work. If you need high-accuracy parallelism for machining, these plates might be too rough, but for press work they hold up fine. The set also includes parallels that help raise or support parts in different positions. They're not precision machine parallels, so don't expect exact height matching. They're more like support blocks that help you keep the work stable when the piece doesn't sit cleanly on the main plates. The steel mass feels solid enough to take repeated pressure without deforming, as long as you're not pushing your press past its normal load. One thing worth noting is the consistency of dimensions. Most users report that the sizing is accurate enough for general use. Still, small differences can show up, so if you're stacking plates or aligning parts that need a tight fit, you may notice tiny gaps. For most garage or small shop setups, this isn't a deal breaker. These plates are built for durability rather than fine tolerance. While going through the specs, I also noticed the weight distribution is good. The pieces don't rock or flex, and the length gives enough room to spreading pressure evenly. They're simple to store, easy to move around, and they fit well with standard H-frame presses that use smaller plates. If your setup is larger or you need wider support, you may find these too narrow. Another real point to keep in mind is surface cleanup. Sometimes these sets arrive with light oil residue from shipping. It's normal for steel parts, but you'll want to wipe them down before use to avoid slipping. After that, they're basically maintenance-free. Just keep them dry so they don't rust. If I'm honest, this set is best for people who want something functional without paying for premium machining. It's for practical press tasks, not precision measuring. It works well for bearings, sleeves, small fabrication pieces, and parts that don't need a dead flat reference. If you already have a more advanced setup, you may see the roughness as a downside. But if you're running a basic shop press and want plates that can take a beating, this set fits that role. That's the full walkthrough. If this helped, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss future reviews.